guys, welcome to Pistacchio Graphic. Today I have another design for you. It's a Lego brick. It's a beginner lesson. It's for who is starting to learn Fusion 360. Let's start with a new design tab. Select the frontal plane. Make a rectangle by the center. The measurement is 15.8 with 31.8. Okay. We will extrude this with 9.6 millimeters. Select extrude tool. Is 9.6 millimeters. That's okay. Next step is to make these connectors here on the top. The distance is 3.9 millimeters, 80 millimeters between them, and 8 millimeters distance. Select this top face here. C for the circle here. This circle is 5 millimeters. This is 5 millimeters. 3.9 millimeter distance. And 8 millimeter divided by 2 here, 4 millimeter distance from the center. Now we can select the rectangular pattern, select the object here and here. This is 4. The spacing here is -8. For the vertical, it's just 2. It's 8 millimeters. That's perfect. Let's record what's the distance. 1.7 millimeters. E for the extrude, select the 8 pins. Here, 1.7 millimeters. That's okay. Now we can remove this face and add some thickness. The thickness is 1.49 millimeters. Select the shell tool. This face 1.49 millimeters. Perfect. Now we can select the bottom face. Make some circles here. Need to make these circles equal. This is equal. This is equal. Okay. And we need to project the top face of these pins. Select the P for project. We need to project one of these faces here. Perfect. They make these are tangent here. Make this and this horizontally. Okay. And make this tangent. P for project. Select another one. Broaden this face and make this tangent. Perfect. Now we can do an offset here with 1 millimeter minus 1 millimeter to make this inside of the profile, minus 1 millimeter, and the last one. Okay, perfect. To add some extrude here, we need to add some 8.1 millimeter, 8.1 millimeters here. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, we can add some fillets here, 0.2 millimeters, F for fillet. Select these borders, these 6 borders, and 2, that's okay. These 4 corners here are 0.2 millimeters. Select these 4 corners, 0.2 millimeters. And the last fillet is 0.2 millimeters on the connectors. Fillet, select these heads, these 8 heads, and 0.2 millimeters. That's okay, that's perfect. Our Lego brick for a beginner lesson who is starting on the Fusion 360 software. Now we can paint this. Remember, you can download this drawing that I used to design this product in the first link of the description. If you like this design, you can write some comments here asking new designs. And see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much.